Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some sweetened condensed milk brownies. I have a saucepan. I have it on medium, low heat, just under the medium. I'm gonna melt some butter. To this I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to mix all this together until it's combined. And now I'm going to add some brown sugar and some vanilla. Stir this together until it's all combined. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. This is some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Now we're going to combine this together. It is combined. I've turned off the heat, and now I'm going to put it on a 9x9 baking sheet. This is a 9x9 bake sheet. I have a piece of parchment paper and I've cut the ends like this at an angle. So when it goes down, it'll flatten out and it'll be easier for me to pick it up on the sides. Okay, so now we're going to add our batter. Okay. Okay, so now I have a 1/4 cup of chips, chocolate chips. I'm just going to put them on top. These are milk chocolate. You can use semi-sweet. You can use any kind you want. Now I have a 350-degree oven waiting. We're going to pop this in. Here's my brownies, and how you know that they are done is you stick a toothpick and it comes out clean. This is 30 minutes. So now I'm going to pick them up. I put them on my cutting board and I'm going to let them cool off. So here are my brownies. Let me show you guys. Oh my goodness, look at how chewy they are. Okay. This is sweet. My husband is coming in here. They are very... These are good.
They're very good. Rosie Cooks, you're getting better and better every day.
Shoo! Okay. You know, these are very, very moist inside. Look at that. And I guess that's because of the sweetened condensed milk. They're very, very tasty. Yummy. Okay, these are sweetened condensed milk brownies with chocolate chips. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.